Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer and my friends call me Miss DeWalt. In this video, I'll be showing you the DeWalt Flex Torque Modular Right Angle System, the model number, ready for this? DWAMRASETFT. Here's a close-up look before I take it out of the packaging. First, I want to point out that it is meant for an impact driver only. If you try to use it with a drill, it'll twist this tubing part here and possibly coil up on itself and spring back and slap you, so I would not advise doing that. It is universal though, so you can use it with any brand of impact driver. The packaging also points out that it is 1/4 inch hex style and also that there are magnetic properties to this product. All right, so within this package, you're going to find 3 key components and they are all interchangeable and work together. You'll find the ultra compact right angle. This next piece, which is smaller, and when combined with the ultra compact right angle, it makes the standard right angle. To release, it's very easy. There are directions. There's a picture here, as you can see. So to release, you push up on this tab, twist, and pull it off. The next component is this right angle flex shaft. So you can use it as it is right out of the package like this. Or if you want to use it in combination with the ultra compact right angle, what you do is push this yellow button here and pull up. You'll hear it click into place, and then you can insert, put that in, and then twist it. The last component that comes in it, you'll see there's this tiny little side handle. Now, when I say it's tiny, it truly is. Okay, here's the one that comes with this, and here is the side handle that goes on my drill. So this is like a baby compared to this. Okay, so I'm going to take this off and show you how the side handle attaches. And it only goes with this ultra compact right angle. It doesn't attach to the other pieces. So to put this together, you'll see one side is smooth and the other side is not. This is the side that goes up towards this. And all you do, there's grooves in the bottom of that and then grooves in that, and you line it up and twist. To release, it's the same thing. You push up on that tab, twist, and disconnect. So this is made of plastic. I would be careful with this. This is the only word of caution. If you are, say you're toting your things in your tough system cases, I would put this somewhere separately because I could see some of the bigger, bulkier tools landing on that and possibly cracking it. One more really cool thing to point out, there is a cap that unscrews and you can keep your extra driver bits in that. So that goes like that. You can also detach it like this. So another really cool thing to point out is there is a rare earth magnet in here and it is very strong. I mean, things stick right to it. Your bit will just insert like that. Now here's a word of caution. This is a longer bit and you can just release it by pulling it right out. But say you use something that is very shallow, okay? There's no way you can really get a hold of that and pull it out. So if you look on the back of that head, there's this star shape. All you need to do is find something that is strong and small enough to push in there, and that'll pop your driver bit right out. The flex shaft is also magnetic as well. I'm going to use that same shallow driver bit that I did in the previous example and just show you the difference. It does sit up a little bit higher than the ultra compact right angle, so I have no problem pulling that back out. So there isn't like a separate release area like the first example I showed you. So before I move on, I'm going to give you approximate measurements of each. The literature that came with it did say that this is 1.5 inches in height. As far as length, it's about 3 1/4 inches in length. The flex shaft, when this is like pushed back in that position, it's about 1 foot long. When combined with the compact head, It's about 14.5 inches long. And then combine to make the standard right angle. That together is 6 inches, maybe about 6¼ inches long. And the little baby side handle is 4 inches in length. Some of the additional features listed online include that it has 10 times longer life than the Milwaukee 48, 32, 2100 with its long life gears. It's accessible with that 1.5-inch head height that I told you about previously, and you can use it one-handed if you need to. I do really like that it has that rare earth magnet I told you about, which helps to hold your fastener in place, especially when you're working in a compact area and maybe one-handed. It has a durable metal gear case and patented handle to reduce vibration. If you're interested in purchasing this product or any of the others offered on my affiliates, Ace, Acme Tool, Amazon, JB Tools, or Tool Nut, please check out the links in the description of this video. It does sell for around $39. Now I looked on Amazon, which has over 15,000 reviews, and this product does have a 4.7 star rating out of 5 stars. So that tells me that customers are generally very happy. If there's anything I forgot to cover that you'd like to know, please leave it for me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram as well, so please find me there. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.